Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing this setup. I just got these new Beddrops, so I wanted to test them out, and I had these balloons left over from another setup, so I wanted to reuse them. The colors are Desert Sand by Kalisan. I have white sand double stuffed into white, and I have the snakeskin balloon by BCT Balloons. And then I also have, I want to say they were Champagne by Sempertex, they new color. So let's get started. So we're starting off with this backdrop, and I never did anything on these type of backdrops yet, so I was really excited for that. I am basically using 2 clusters at a time to tie on the to attach the sorry, my mind is just all over the place, to attach the balloons. And on the Beddrop I use binder clips to I had binder clips on the Beddrop on the sides, and I tied 260s on them. And I will say, I mean, it came out great at the end. I think I made it a little bit too big because it kind of covered some of the side of the backdrop, and I wanted a little bit more to. I probably could have just went with like 2 layers of clusters, and not. I think I ended up doing like 3 layers of them, and I think I could have just left it with 2. That way, I can see a little bit more the edges of the backdrop that I used. But this is me. I'm attaching everything using neck to neck or 260 because these were used previously in a balloon wall. So some of the necks were kind of all gone and some of them weren't. So I was going back and forth with using either the neck of the balloon or the 260. And another thing I did was I did the other Beddrop I did in the house, so I didn't actually do it on camera. And I think I should have brought it out with the teddy bear before I started actually doing the balloons on this. That way I could have made a better flow with the balloons and the teddy bear, because once I added the Beddrop on, it kind of just the Beddrop was like kind of more so just on the right of it. It wasn't like really close. I would have liked the Beddrop to be a little bit closer to this Beddrop, is what I'm trying to say. And this is me just continue to add those clusters, tying the necks, and just making sure I'm tying it to all the necks around so it's really nice and tight. So now I'm going to start adding these mini clusters on. And what's a setup without the mini clusters? And I already had them, so why not use them? And right now I'm just making sure you are, when you add the mini clusters on, you just pretty much really tuck them inside the balloon. You don't want to just sit it on top. To really make it look organic and nice, you want to really like push it into the balloons. Don't be scared. I literally like push a balloon up and really push it in. And I usually like to tie it at several different points so it kind of be pulling from different angles as well. That helps a lot. Alright guys, so this is the final setup, and that ribbon I have on the beard, I believe I purchased that from Joann's or Walmart, one or the other. And I absolutely love the right side. I love that backdrop. The other one I feel like is still way too big for that small backdrop that I had. I should have definitely just went with like 2, 3 max. I have like 4 different lines of clusters here, but it still turned out good. So this is how everything turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I see you in the next one. Bye.